What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at the brand new Supreme and Stone Island hoodie in the olive yellow colorway. Here we go. Alright, so this collection here dropped on March the 14th, 2019. It was last Thursday when this dropped, and it dropped on the Supreme website as well as in all of the Supreme stores and on the Stone Island website and in Stone Island flagship stores around the world. Now here's where things got interesting. The price. Now before shipping and taxes and duties and all that stuff, the price of this hoodie on the Supreme website is $328 US. Now on the contrary, on the Stone Island website and in Stone Island stores, the price of this hoodie is $256 US. That is about an $80 delta or difference between the two. Now the reason I believe this happened is because Stone Island is the actual manufacturer or maker of this hoodie and of the entire collection. Therefore Supreme, taking the clothing from Stone Island, even though it's a collaboration, they had to mark it up to make their own profit on top of it, whereas Stone Island is actually the one making the garments. Now for me, luckily enough, I was happy I got this hoodie on the Stone Island website, hence the box, so I saved a ton of money. Now when you order things off the Supreme site, all you really get is that plastic Supreme bag, which is cool enough, but on the Stone Island site, because it is a luxury Italian sportswear or fashion company, you get this beautiful matte black Stone Island branded box with magnets. So if we open this box up, it reveals the hoodie, and there we are. Now, like I mentioned before, I got the olive yellow colorway, but it also dropped in a black colorway and then a red color, and in terms of availability, these things virtually did not exist. They went so fast, I did not have a chance on the Supreme site. Lucky for me, I got very lucky on the Stone Island site. About 20 minutes after the time it was supposed to drop, I randomly refreshed the page and everything was there. So I got the hoodie and a pair of black shorts from the collection. If we take a look at the front of the hoodie, the most striking detail about this hoodie is the front embroidery, which is in a matching yellow or olive stitching, and that is of the Stone Island Supreme logo that they've used for years on all of the Stone Island Supreme collaboration pieces. The kangaroo pouch on this hoodie is closed in a Stone Island black shiny button with a button closure. And then of course on the left sleeve you do have that classic signature Stone Island patch, again kept on with two black Stone Island matching buttons. One really cool detail that I saw nowhere online or anybody talk about so far is on the top of the hood here, you actually have the words Stone Island Supreme 2019 embroidered in a very, very delicate and faint embroidery text. And I honestly would not have noticed if I wasn't making this video and expecting the whole thing. I would not even have seen that there, but it is a really cool detail. Now, in my opinion, the coolest thing about this hoodie is the actual color itself. Now, all three colors that this hoodie and the shorts came in are actually the same undercolor or fabric color, which is this very light gray. I believe it's a light gray. And what Stone Island did, they did this very special garment dyeing process where they pretty much splattered on this yellow color or any color that it came in. In this case, they splattered on this yellow color to give it a textured and used look, this over-dyed look. Now the best part about this is every single hoodie that they made is literally one of one. You will never get two hoodies that are the exact same pattern or dyeing finish, which really adds to the uniqueness of this collection. In terms of sizing, in the past, Supreme and Stone Island have used Stone Island blanks for a lot of their things, so the sizing has been a lot more fitting and smaller compared to Supreme sizing. But with this, it looks like they actually chose a Supreme sized garment, even though it is a Stone Island hoodie. I got an XL and it is quite roomy. Not only is it true to size, I would say it even has a bit more room than necessary. So without further ado, let's wear this thing. That's better. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this hoodie. I absolutely love this collection. Let me know what you guys think down below about the entire collection. It is a bit pricey, I do have to say, but it is Stone Island, and again, the uniqueness of this piece being one of one, it adds value to the overall piece. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe, and please comment down below what you want to see me review next, what you want to see more of, what you'd like to see less of, and all that stuff down below. So until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.